The price of 1 kilogram of bananas is due to be increased by either 1/3 or 30%. By how much would 1 kilogram of bananas cost if the price was increased by 1/3? So if we look at bananas, they're £2.70, all right? So if it was increased by 1/3, well, let's just work out what 1/3 of £2.70 is on our calculator. So use the fraction button, okay? Press the fraction button there. 1 then, press the replay button down, third. 1/3 times then £2.70, which is what bananas cost per kilogram. So if I press equals, it comes out as 9/10 as a fraction, but we want this in terms of money, so we want a decimal. So press the SD button, it comes out as 0.9. Okay, so 1/3 would be 90 pence essentially, right? 0.9 would be 90 pence, just like that. Okay, and that should make sense to you because, you know, 1/3 is just divided by 3, isn't it? So I could have just done that, 2.70 divided by 3, and it comes out as 90 pence. But it does say then how much will it cost when it's increased. So we need to add 90 pence onto that, right? So 2.70 add 90 pence. Okay, so use your calculator because it is a calculator question. 2.70 add 90 pence. So that comes out to be, let's the SD, 3.60 there, okay? So that option there. By how much would 1 kilogram of banana cost if the price was increased by 30%? Circle your answer. Well, 30% this time. Well, if I work out 10% to start with, okay, and then I could triple it. Now that's what I would do if I didn't have a calculator. But because I've got a calculator, I can straight away work out 30%, okay, of 2.70 by typing in 0.3, because that's what 30% is as a decimal, is 0.3 times 2.70. So if I do that, that comes out to be 81 pence. Okay, so then that's the increase, so I need to add that on then to the 2.70, and that comes out to be £3.51. Okay, so £3.51, it's there, isn't it? Okay, part B then. The price of 1 kilogram of apples is reduced by 2/5. Calculate the new price of 1 kilogram of apples. The apples is 1.80, yeah? So it's increased by 2/5. So if I work out 2/5 of 1.80, okay, well, that would be 2/5 times 1.80. Now, again, use your calculators. Calculator question. So fraction button, 2/5 times then 1.80, and that comes out to be 72 pence, okay? Now, they want the new price. So that's the increase, so I need to add that onto the 1.80, and it comes out to be £2.52. Okay, so the new price, 1.80, add then the 72 pence, the increase, so that'll be £2.52. Okay. Part C then, the price of peaches is not given in the table. Rowena buys 0.4 kilograms of grapes and 0.5 kilograms of peaches. It costs her £3.46 altogether. What is the price of 1 kilogram of peaches? Okay, well, she buys 0.4 kilograms of grapes. Now you can see here, it's £3.40 per kilogram. And that's for grapes, yeah? Okay, grapes is £3.40 per kilogram. She wants 0.4 kilograms, so she buys 0.4 kilograms of that. Now that's for 1 kilogram. To work out then what 0.4 kilograms is, we just need to times this by 0.4, okay, because that's for 1 kilogram. So times this by 0.4. We'll see how much she spent. If I do that in my calculator, it comes out to be £1.36 on grapes. Okay, now she spent £3.46 altogether, so we can see what's left over, can't we? Okay, we can see what she's actually spent then on the peaches. So if I take that away, £3.46 take away £1.36, that comes out to be £2.10. Okay, so then 0.5 kilograms of peaches cost her £2.10. All right. Well, if half, that's half, isn't it? If half kilogram peaches cost £2.10, what will 1 kilogram cost? Well, if you think about it, that's going to be double the amount, isn't it? Double the amount, so it'll be £4.20. That's what it'll be per kilogram. You have to double that to get 1 kilogram.